Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us all the way from Topeka like she does every week. However, Roger Drager is our good friend from right next door. He actually farms the land right here around KOAM. And if you haven't seen the other shows, you can check them out on our website and on our YouTube page, and the KOAM Plus app. I don't want to forget to mention that. But Roger's here for a very special reason. In fact, today, it's March 19th. It's National Agriculture Day.
It is, and it's so great that Roger is here. The Kansas Soybean Commission is here to promote the Kansas soybean industry, and we're going to talk about it. I picked a special recipe for today, and Roger's going to tell you about how soybeans are used with the meat industry. But we're going to make Kansas Fiesta tacos.
Okay.
And we have beef, pork, and chicken here. And we're going to do a marinade that'll flavor this for our tacos wonderfully. I've got a resealable bag here, which is a great way to do the marinade. And I'm going to let you add it. If you would put in the lime juice first, that's 1/4 cup of lime juice. And then we have a tablespoon of soy sauce.
All right.
And then we have some minced garlic there.
Okay.
Let me see. Will that go? There we go. And then some cumin that'll give us a great flavor. Thank you.
Right,
I like to use this because this is an easy way to add our meat. We're going to use a pound of meat for this recipe, but I have chicken, pork, and beef. And in honor of Roger here, and he's going to tell us about it, I'm going to put our beef strips in here. And you can use, when you go to the store and look at the meat choices that you have, you can even get beef that's already cut.
Okay.
So if you don't want to get a steak and cut it up, you can do that. Pork loin, and then this was a boneless chicken breast.
Okay.
So Roger, and maybe turn that heat down just a little bit over there. I see it smoking. Thank you. And Roger, while I'm doing this, and we can go ahead and add that beef, and Roger, you tell us what is important about soybeans in the beef industry. And you'll need to get that spoon, Chris.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can just probably turn that totally down now, off. Yeah.
Okay.
And you're going to stir fry that. It does not take very much. There we go. Well, we've got a lot of sizzle going to celebrate National Agriculture Day. We'll put this in the refrigerator for an hour, and then this has already been in the marinade. I drained the liquid. We discard that. And you could do that, repeat that with both your pork and your chicken. So, Roger, why is it important that we celebrate National Agriculture Day and we have our meat here that we're...
Well, it's good for producers to have that support from our industry, KOAM, and, many industries around. And, beef and chicken and pork all promote Kansas Ag real big because they're our #1 consumer of soybeans through the proteins, the meal.
And I think most people don't realize that we have, 90% of the soybean meal.
95% of the soybean meal
goes to feed livestock. Yes. You're doing a great job over there.
It's coming along nicely. The wife would be surprised to see me doing this, I think, right about now.
And once that is to your desired doneness, then we're going to put that into taco shells here. And then fill it with your favorite condiments. So we've got lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and then a special touch that I added was some black soybeans.
Okay.
And this black soybeans you can find in the can at the grocery store, very high in protein. It's a good choice to pick the black soybeans rather than just a regular bean, just because you're getting that soy protein.
All right. Well, Charlene, of course, if folks want this recipe or any of the others we featured, what do they need to do?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number, 877-kansassoybeans.org. And we thank the Kansas Soybean Commission and Roger for celebrating National Agriculture Day today.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you both for coming in. And, of course, if you missed any of it, it's going to be on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News and more deliciousness right after this.